sweet angels. It is me, Flex. I'm a media personality, a best-selling author, and a professional opinion haver. And this is my home in Hobart. It's called Casa de Flex. What better place to start than the entrance of the home? You would think it's just a console. Not to me. This is the physical manifestation of the vibe for the whole space. It's smooth lines, curved edges, contrasting yet complementary colors. It's functional, it's aesthetic, it's a bit of me. Over here, we have this green Fearon table. It's aluminium. It's the first piece I bought for the house before I even knew where I was living. Would I have gotten green now that I know what the vibe is? Maybe, maybe not. It doesn't actually matter. I'm in my tablescaping era. I'm in my dinner party era. I'm not cooking though. I'm just hosting. Really excited about that. These chairs I feel really good about. I got them from Luke's Furniture in Melbourne. Oh, look. They don't make furniture like this anymore. Then if we come over here, this plinth I'm really excited by because I designed it and then our amazing builders, Roberts and Rogers, made it, like handcrafted. I would say half of the house is either something that I designed and got made or curated or created by an Australian designer, which is sick. So this is my second bedroom. I was scrolling through Pinterest and found an archway very similar to this. And this is heavily inspired by Peter Pilotto's takeover at London Design Week. So this archway, these divots in between, I was obsessed with. My plan eventually is to change the color scheme of both these rooms almost seasonally, annually, let's say annually. This bed is handmade and I'm really, really excited by contrasting textures. I don't feel like we think about textures enough when we're designing spaces. We've got this amazing boucle, we've got some waffle, we've got sequins, we've got plush carpet, and all of that gives this sense of depth. Also, these lights were probably the second thing I sourced for the space. Did I know where they were gonna go? No, but they're amazing. Okay, now coming to the kitchen. The sink I'm obsessed with, right? To some people it's just a sink. To me it's the sink. I love it. Hey, living room. First thing we need to appreciate this archway. You might be thinking, was it always there? It wasn't, it was a door. This soft neotenic curved thing. It's bringing it together. Come in to the living area. My brief for this room is I wanted it to feel like, I don't know, like heaven's waiting area. Just behind you here, this whole TV cabinet was handmade by our amazing builders, Roberts and Rogers, from my brain. Come down here, come down here. Let's bring back cabinetry with no hardware. There's just something about it. It's like, what year was this built? I don't know. But if it had hardware, you would know. And I don't want you to know, you know? You know. Welcome to the main bedroom. Give it some time. Just soak it in, soak it in, soak it in, soak it in. We obviously must start with the bed. You've never seen anything like it. Why? Custom made. From whose imagination? We've got these curved lines that we see repeated in every single room. We also have this cloud bed head with a little dip, a recessed dip here that lights up at night. Who knew you could just make stuff? Thank goodness for carpenters. This has to be 6 foot if you think about it. Is it functional? Maybe. You know, you can sleep with it. Prefer you wouldn't. And then these barbed wire pillows from Shai Talaga, Sydney-based artist, of course. Just genius. Thank you so much for joining me on the tour of my home. I hope you liked it, but if you didn't, don't let me know. You know what I'm saying? Just keep it to yourself.